Good evening from the office of the Mob Justice Football. Your advocate here, advocating the ball, guys. What's happening? Are we fighting? What's happening? Cause please just press the plus sign there. Ne? This community is going very slow, but we appreciate the progress. We appreciate everything. Mangobaniti once said, we were surprised when they give the training facility to the opponents. We thought we're going to be patriotic enough, consult the team. Should we give this particular team a training ground? Guys, we were home team in the semis of the CAF Champions League, but we were never given a home dressing room. But we're not complaining. I just wanted you to underline some of the issue here. Mangoba once told us about this team, that they lack patriotism with all that they have. They don't love this country. They host the opponents when they come to play with us. They even open the dressing room there at FNB. Bad. Kaizer Chiefs must be told, man. It's either you with us or you against us. This is pure sabotage. Why not the old dressing room so that they can go and change there? Because this one, last time we were told that in a binding contract, there's no any other team that's going to use this home dressing room there by FNB. Mr. Grobler, you confirmed in an interview, it's on the record that you say that the Kaizer Chiefs home dressing, FNB home dressing room, is not going to be utilized by any other team except Kaizer Chiefs. If Kaizer Chiefs is not there, catch, it's locked. We were told, Mangoba once told us about this team. Mangoba told us that these ones, they lack patriotism. And we must be able to tell them from the office of the Mob Justice Football, why Kaizer Chiefs, why are you doing this to us? Because if you can see there's the badge of Kaizer Chiefs with all its marking and all those stuff. And this kit is the kit of the pyramids of Egypt. Al-Akhli was once hosted at Naturen. Still remember? Now this, friends of Egyptians, friends of Al-Akhli, friends of pyramids. But nonetheless, Sevala ones. Anyways, who cares? Just press the plus sign and become part of the big family. From the office of the Mob Justice Football,